Good afternoon. In this lecture series, we are going to see the topic GSM. So we know that GSM, it is a network. It consists of many functional units. So what are all the main units we are having in this GSM is the mobile station, the base station subsystem, network switching subsystem, operations support subsystems. So these are all the main functional units that has been available in this GSM. So what is the function of the mobile system? Suppose if we are using some of the physical equipment such as radio transceivers, signal processors, SIM cards. So here it will provide the air interface to the user. At the same time, it includes some of the services such as voice teleservices, data bearer service, and the last one is the supplementary services. So here we are going to facilitate voice messaging systems, and we are having the various data services available in the GSM network. So here we are having the synchronous as well as asynchronous connection, and we are having one of the thing is the high speed. So what is the circuit, what is this data we are here using is 64 kilobits per second. So the main function of the GSM is SIM. So what do you mean by SIM means it provides the personal mobility so that the user can have access to all the services. At the same time, it is irrespective to the location of the terminal as well as the specific terminal. Suppose if we want to insert the card, SIM card into the another GSM phone. So it is used to make the calls, at the same time it is used to receive the calls. So already I have mentioned that we are having the various types of the subsystem. So here we are having two parts, one is base transceiver station, another one is the base station controller. So this will communicate across the specified interface and enabling operations between the components that are made by different suppliers. The radio components consist of various cells. At the same time, there will be an interface. With the help of interface, we are connecting. So this is the diagram of the GSM BSS. So here the base transceiver station hovers the radio transceivers, and that will define a call, and at the same time it will handle the radio link protocols. In large urban area, we are using number of BTS. So the next thing we are going to see about the BTS. So the main purpose of the BTS is, suppose if it is placed in the center of the cell, so the transmitting power defines the size of the each cell. So here this BTS serves as a single cell. At the same time, we are going for many functions in this BTS. So we are having encoding, encrypting, multiplexing, as well as modulating and feeding. And there will be a transcoding and rate adaptation, and there will be a time and frequency synchronizing, and there will be full of voice. There will be decoding, decrypting and equalizing received signals, and there will be an uplink channel measurements. So this is the diagram of the BTS. So suppose if we want to mention the base station controller, the radio we are having so many radio receivers, and it will handle the radio setup, frequency hopping and handovers. The BSC, it is the connection between the mobile and the MSC, and it also translates, and it is used by the PSTN or ISTN. So it assigns and releases frequency and time slots for the MS. At the same time, it will control the power station. So the purpose of the GSM, it is control of frequency hopping, and it will be performing traffic concentration, and it will provide an interface to the operations and maintenance, reallocating the frequency among BTS. There will be a power management and the received signal. So this is the architecture of the GSM. So a mobile switching center, it is the main center which it connects to that of the visitor location register, home location register, authentication. So OSS, we know that it is an operation subsystem and what are all the functions that has been occurred in this OMC is nothing but administration and commercial operations, the security management, network configuration operation, and as well as the maintenance task. So with the help of the GSM network, from the mobile switching station, it is connected to that of the VLR, HLR, as well as it is connected to that of the PSTN and ISTN. So these are all the functions of the GSM. Thank you.